Let's talk terms and connect. Terms and connectors on Lexis Plus allow you to craft targeted searches for specific terms, often in a specific order or in proximity to one another. Creating a terms and connectors search helps you quickly get the results that you need without having to wade through all of that extraneous or irrelevant source results. One of the most basic building blocks for terms and connectors is the within connector. This can be expressed in a couple of different ways, but typically we see it like you see it down here as a W slash a number. So 3 would be within 3 words. Or you'll also see us write W slash S within the same sentence, which looks within about 10 to 25 words, or within the same paragraph, which is within about 50 to 75 words. So if we type out this search, the terms entered into the search box mean that the phrase amusement park has to be within 10 words of some form of the word liability. The exclamation point at the base or root of the word liability will find different versions of a word. So here our results would include liable or liability. Both would be important terms, and Lexis will look for one or the other, or both, within 10 words of amusement park. Now if we run the search, we can see that these are all 285 cases from across the entire country that reference amusement park within 10 words of liability or liable. If you're finding that you're not finding something exactly on your issue or facts, then it's nice to think about what could be similar. So for example, in our amusement park search, perhaps we realized that theme park would be an equally acceptable term. We can utilize the OR connector to craft a search that looks like this. And remember that you can actually edit your search by clicking the pencil icon. So we could put in amusement park or theme park, still within 10 words of liability. So the OR connector is incredibly useful when you have a term that could be known by different names. So DWI or DUI, attorney or lawyer or counsel. So you use OR to cast your net a little bit wider and capture those results that may be referring to your key term as something else. So now we've increased our results by about 10, 12 results, but we've encompassed those that talk about theme parks just as they talk about amusement parks. Let's go back to the home page. The within connector, the exclamation point, and OR are some of my favorites, but it's really just the beginning. We have and not, and then we also have commands such as at least, which help you narrow a search by defining relationships between your terms. For help selecting your connectors, you can always take a look at the advanced search link underneath the search box on the right. From here, you can fill out the fields, which will help you find the right connector to use. The guided search forms are interactive, so as you enter information into the form fields, it builds your search at the top of the page. So we could use our amusement park again, and we could say amusement theme. So we'd be happy with any of those terms. And then for all of these terms, we need park, some form of liability. So you can use the forms to build your search, although I will always recommend that you just give it a try and you practice using terms and connectors yourself to see what a difference they make in your search results. Now over here on the right is kind of your little cheat sheet. So if you ever forget what the connectors are or how they work, you can see our most commonly used connectors in this list, and then you can view all connectors and commands, and this is going to show you those commands and connectors that are supported by Lexis Plus. Terms and connectors and the advanced search feature really transform the way you do legal research. And with these tools, you're prepared to more efficiently construct sophisticated searches to find the exact documents that you need. If you want to learn more or you have any questions, please reach out to our Lexis team at any time. Come to our training so that we can teach you more about it, or just ask us a specific question. Have a great day.